In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in Elementor. So in order to rotate an image in Elementor, what we can do first is to head over to elementor.com, and into this part, head over and click onto this login option if you already have an account, or click onto this get started if you do not have one yet. So let's host Elementor using our WordPress. Click onto this login option if you already have one, or click onto this get started if you don't have one yet. You can connect those two together if you actually install the Elementor toolkit on your WordPress. Now this is what my pages look like, and I already have a page that I have created with Elementor. So let's click onto this edit with Elementor option that we can see right here, and it should be able to bring us into this page. Now in order to rotate an image, let's first head over and add an image. Head over and click onto this image option and drag it where you want to put it. So I'll put it right here, and this is that. Let's choose an image that we will use. I'll add this one and select. Now as you can see here it is. So under this advanced, you can see some layouts, margins, paddings, aligning, and orders. If you wish to actually rotate a particular picture, you need to use motion effects. So you can find it right here under this, and in here you can see these options. So enable scrolling effects using this one. Make sure that this one is turned on. Then configure the rotation that it will do, such as left or right. Set the speed and adjust the viewport settings for the rotation to start. You can also use in here this transform option, and in here you can see the rotate option. Just click onto this pencil and then rotate it on a specific angle, like for example 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or which angle you wish to use based on this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.